Here another problem is given. Look at this problem. We have to find out the equation of the straight line. In that case, gradient is given, which is half, and the line passes through the point 0 minus 7. And the equation we have to find out. Okay. So here also what we will do, we will take the general equation of the straight line. So general equation of the straight line is, we know y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. But here where m is gradient and c is y intercept. Here m is given, gradient is given, which is half. So we can write it y is equal to half x plus c. Now this line passes through the point 0 minus 7. So here in that line we will put 0 in place of x and minus 7 in place of y. Okay, as this line passes through that point, so in place of y we will put minus 7, half in place of x, this is 0 plus c. So here minus 7, 0 into something gives 0. So this is only 0 plus c, that means only c. So c is equal to minus 7. So our equation become y is equal to half x, and in place of c what we have already found out, that is minus 7. Minus 7. So this is our equation. Now we can simplify it. Yes. So 2y is equal to x minus 14, or x minus 2y, we just put it minus 2y to that side and minus 14 to that side. So this is our result. X minus 2y is equal to 14 is the equation of the straight line. Actually the answer is up to this is right. You can simplify it or you can keep it in that way, up to that also. Okay. Here the problem is, here also you have to find out the equation of the straight line, but here y-intercept is given and the line passes through the point minus 4, 5. So this is some different from the previous one. In previous problem, gradient was given and we have to find out the equation. Here y-intercept is given, but gradient is not given and we have to find out the equation of the straight line. Okay. So here also what we will do, we will take the general equation of the straight line. What is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is gradient and c is y-intercept. Okay. So here we can write y is equal to mx. In place of c, what we will write here? Here you remember m is gradient and c is y-intercept. Y-intercept. We will write it this side. So in place of c, what we will write? 3. So mx plus 3. Now this line passes through the point minus 4, 5. Okay. That means in place of x we will write minus 4 and in place of y we will write 5. Okay. So in place of y we write here 5 m. In place of x this is minus 4 plus 3. So 5, this is minus 4m plus 3. So we can take minus 4m this side. So this is 4m, this is 3 minus 5. We take 5 on that side and this on that side. Okay. So it becomes 4m is equal to 3 minus 5 means minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2 by 4, that means minus half. Okay. So now we can easily write the equation of the straight line, as we can find out the gradient of the equation, and the intercept is already given here. So just put in the general equation y is equal to mx plus c, and we will get the equation of the straight line. So straight equation of line is y is equal to, what we will write in place of m, that is minus half x plus c. C means 3 here. Now we will just simplify it. What is that? 2y minus x plus 6. So that is x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is our equation of the straight line. Okay. Our next topic is two parallel straight lines. Okay. When we will say two lines are parallel, when the two lines have equal gradient. Okay. Two lines with equal gradient, we will call it as a parallel lines. Parallel lines. Like that, we have two straight line like that. Y is equal to, one is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, and another is 3y is equal to 6x plus 12. Okay, so here we can see that y is equal to 6x by 3, 12 by 3. That means this is also 2x plus 4. So one line is y is equal to 2x plus 3, and another line is y is equal to 2x plus 4. Both the line have equal gradient. Okay, so these two lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Okay. Similarly, we can write also, if two lines are parallel, this implies lines two lines have equal gradient. If we take example here, this is axis, x-axis, y-axis, and if we take this line and this line, this line, these are two parallel lines. Both of these have equal gradients. Only the difference is that they intersect in different place in y. That means y intercept is different, but both the lines have equal gradient. Let us take an example on parallel lines. Okay. Look at the given problem here. The straight line kx plus 2y is equal to 10, where k is constant. One straight line is given, kx plus 2y is equal to 10, where k is constant, is parallel to the line 3y is equal to 9x minus 8. Find the value k. Okay. So two straight lines are given. One is kx plus 2y is equal to 10, and another is 3y is equal to 9x minus 8. These two straight lines are parallel. We have to find out the value of k. Okay, you understand this problem? So what we know about the condition of parallel straight lines? That both the lines have same gradient. Okay, both the lines have same gradient. So our aim is to find out the gradient of both these lines. From the first equation, this is kx plus 2y is equal to 10. Here also we have to find out the gradient. To find out the gradient, what we will do? We will write it in a general form of the straight line. So this is 2y is equal to minus kx plus 10. We take the kx on the other side. So this becomes minus kx. So this is y is equal to minus k by 2x plus 10 by 2. We divide by 2 on both sides. So this becomes y is equal to minus k by 2x plus 5. Hence, this becomes the general form of the straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. This becomes as the general form of the straight line. So from this, if we compare with the general form of the straight line, what we can get here? The gradient of this equation is minus k by 2. So from the first line we get gradient is minus k by 2. Now second equation. Second equation is 3y is equal to 9x minus 8. So here also we will write as a general form of the straight line. So here y is equal to 9x by 3 minus 8 by 3. So this becomes 3x minus 8 by 3. We divide both sides by 3. So y is equal to mx plus c. Compare it with the general equation, we get y is equal to mx plus c. So gradient here, from here we can get the gradient is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c, m is 3. So what is our condition? These two lines are parallel. What we know about parallel lines? Both have same gradient. So here gradient is minus k by 2, here gradient is 3. So both are equal. Now we equate these two. So minus k by 2 is equal to 3. From here we can get k is equal to minus 6. So we have already found the value of k, which is minus 6. Okay.